Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, in my previous video, I taught you about shorter distance between two skew lines, and today we will continue the same topic. But today we will going to start find shorter distance between two parallel lines. Okay, so let us see how this will be solved. First, we have two lines. We have equation of two lines. R1 equals to A1 plus lambda B1, lambda B only. R2 equals to vector A2 plus mu B. In this, B1 and B2 not given, but only B is given. Because both the lines are parallel, and we know that parallel lines always having same direction ratio. So that's why I have written only B instead of B1 and B2. Okay, for parallel lines, B1 vector equal to B2, so let us it will be equal to B. Okay, now formula to find shortest distance between two parallel lines is shortest distance equals to A2 minus A1. This is the difference between the points, cross product B vector and modulus of this, that is we have to find magnitude of the numerator, and in the denominator we will write magnitude of vector B. This is the formula to find shorter distance between two parallel lines. Now this topic will be more clear by taking an example. We have two lines, R1 vector equals to 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap plus lambda times of 2 this much and this much. These two lines we have, and please pay attention here. Both the direction ratio of both lines are same, right? So this shows that lines are parallel. It is not it will not mention in the question that lines are parallel. The question is given simple as that, find the shortest distance between the lines. You have to identify whether the lines are parallel or not. Okay, now this is A1, A2, B, and B is given. So first of all we find A2 minus A1. This is A2 minus A1, and A2 minus A1 cross B. So this is A2 minus A1 and this is B vector. Now find the cross product of this. I already taught you how to find cross product in the chapter vector. Okay, so in this way you will find cross product. Okay, hide this and whatever. So this is the required value. Now we have to find magnitude of this. So 8 square plus 4 square plus 1 square, this will be 81, that is 9. Now the required shortest distance is, put the respective values in the formula and we will get this. So this is how you have to find shortest distance between two lines. Now let us take some more example on this. Some more example. Find the shortest distance between these two lines. In these two lines, see carefully, direction ratio are not same. So first of all we have to find whether these lines are parallel or not. If you observe carefully, this is 2 4 6. We will take 2 common if we want. अगर हम चाहें तो 2 common ले सकते हैं. Okay, take it. If we take 2 common, you will get 1i plus 2j plus 3k. So which is similar to this one. This shows the lines are parallel. Okay. First of all, find out these lines parallel or not. So this is B. B, take 2 common. So B1 equal to lambda times of B. B2. Therefore lines are parallel. Okay. So the required direction ratio is I cap plus 2j cap, and the process is same as the previous question. Okay students, I hope that this video will help you to solve exercise based on this topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.